Hello, and thanks for joining. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to enable data saving mode in the Discord app on your Android mobile device. This feature helps reduce your data usage while using Discord, which is great if you have a limited data plan or want to save bandwidth. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the Data Consumption option. Under Data Consumption, locate the Data Saving Mode setting and turn it on. Once enabled, Discord will use less data, helping you stay within your data limits. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to save data on Discord while staying connected. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.